So let's turn this complex looking equation into very simple terms. So first we identify the real parts in both the terms and then handle the real part and the imaginary part separately. So when you put the real parts in both the terms together, that is 7 and minus 8, the resultant real part would be minus 1. And when you put both the imaginary parts together, that is 3 and 9, then the resultant would be plus 3 and plus 9, that would be 12. So your answer would be minus 1 plus 12i. Now, how do you identify the real parts? The real parts are those terms which are independent of I. That is 7 in this term and minus 8 in this term. And what are the imaginary parts? They are the coefficients of I. So that is 3 in this term and 9 in the second term. And once you identify the real and the imaginary parts, you can club them together and then apply the mathematical operation. So in this particular case, you have to add them up. So when you add 7 and minus 8, you get minus 1. And when you add 3 and 9, you get 12. So that is how you solve the problems with complex numbers. I hope you learned something from this. And if you like this video and if you want to access more of such content, follow for more.